Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I'm Prajwal Desai and these are the headlines. Goa reports 476 COVID-19 cases as tests reduced to 2,280. India records highest ever figure of 1,68,912 cases in the last 24 hours. Light to moderate unseasonal rain occurred at isolated places over Goa on Sunday. Likely to rain tonight too. Sesa beat Youth Club of Manora by 3 goals to 1 in a hard-fought match in the Selval GFA Pro League match on Monday. Now the news in detail. Goa reported 476 COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours out of 2,280 samples tested for coronavirus, while India reported 1,68,912 COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. 2 deaths were reported in the last 24 hours, taking the death toll to 850.
Out of total cases, 4,565 cases are active. Here is breakup of active cases. Porvorim is leading with 499 cases, followed by Margao 466, Ponda 340, Kandolim 337 and Panji 307. 231 people have been recovered in last 24 hours, taking total number of recovered patients to 57,365. 68 patients have been hospitalized and 246 patients have undergone home isolation. In North, 271 beds are vacant out of 275 beds, while in South, 74 beds are vacant out of 144 beds. India reported 1,68,912 COVID-19 cases in last 24 hours, in a biggest single day rise ever recorded. 904 deaths reported in last 24 hours, highest daily death toll reported this year. The total number of cases reached 1.35 crore. While the death toll was pushed to 1.70 lakhs. Health Minister Vishwajit Rane said Goa is the first state in the country to offer free of cost D-dimer and interleukin-6 tests at GMC for COVID-19 patients. To ascertain different variants of the COVID-19 virus and expedite sample testing, government shall be setting up a genome testing facility in Goa, he said. Samip Narvekar for Goa 365 from Panji.
Everybody talks of agriculture and locals getting involved in agriculture. However, on the ground there are still loopholes which can be plugged. The issue of a woman from Para is an example. She sells watermelons, chilies and onions. However, cattle have ruined her field. Here, she pleads before the authorities to help her, saying that the agriculture department can't sort out her issue. The issue, stray cattle destroying her fields.
Watermelons from Parra are very famous. A hard-working woman, Darshan Pednekar, grows watermelons at Parra and sells them in Sholim. When she goes there, she don't even find a proper place to sit. But she still does her business. She has one question: whom to approach if her fields are being destroyed? She shared her grievances with Goa 365. Listen.
300, 250, 200 रुपयान रेट आसा आमकां कांगाचो.
आणि हे
मिरसांगो 400 रुपया 800 रुपया किलो.
800 रुपये.
माझी रेटीन सगळे 800 रुपयानच किलो हांवें मिरसांग घातलेली आसा. कानो आसा तो कानो पिड्ड्यार जालो हे फावट पीक अजिबात ना. आमी कांद्याचे 2-3 हजाराची हांवें ऊल हाडून लायिल्ली. एक कानो ह्या करूंक ना, सगळो कानो पिड्ड्यार.
आणि
मिरसांगो पिड्ड्यार जाल्या, मुऱ्याल्यात मिरसांगो सगळी. मिरसांग तोको कसो लागलेलो आसा, तेका लागून आमकां ही रेट आमकां 800 रुपयान आतां मेळ्ळा थोडे मिरसांगो जाल्यार. 30 हजाराची कांगां म्हाजी गोरवाणी येवन रातची 2 दिसां भितर काबार केल्या. खावन म्हाजे कडेन फोटो बी मारलेलो आहा. आयसीआराक हांवें फोन केल्लो आहा, एग्रीकल्चराक फोन केल्लो आहा. तेंच्यांनी सांगले गोरवांक आमी कांयच करूंक शकना. तेन्ना गोरवां घरांनी गोरवां आपली बांदपाची. रातची सोडून घालतात गोरवां आनी रातच्या 2 येवन खावन वचून ती येवन खावन वयतात.
म्हणजे सोपोकार तुमकां त्रास दिना?
ना सोपेकार आमकां कितें तो एडजस्ट करून बसा म्हणटा. जागो इल्लोसो आतां कांगां म्हाका जागो हांगा कितलो जावो पडटा. एक 100 कांगां आसली जाल्यार 1 मिटर तरी जागो जाय. पंचायतीनसून आमकां खूब मायकल लोबो आनी आमची सरपंच दिलायला लोबो तेणी आमकां खूब सपोर्ट केल्लो आसा म्हणून आयज 8 वर्सां जाली आमी हे उत्पन्न करून काडटा कित्याक आमकां प्रॉब्लम शेतान काम करून आमकां बाजाराक बसपाक हांगा प्रॉब्लम करता
खंय शिवोले
शिवोले
कित्या
मेन
खातीर?
म्हाजे इतली वर्सां जाली शिवोले आयज 28 वर्सां जाली हांव शिवोलेन बसता फक्त प्रॉब्लम करता हांगा येवन विकतात म्हणून आमी कितें भायले विकिना आमी आमचे घरचे हाडून विकपाक आमकां हांगा दिना जागो आपलो हांगा बसूंक मेळचें ना थंय बसूंक मेळचें ना अशें प्रॉब्लम करता आनी गाडी बसली हांगा
कोण हे शिवोले कोण करता अशें
हां
शिवोले कोण अशें करता
शिवोले हे आमी पब्लीक बसता तीच करता सोपोवालो आमकां कसलोच प्रॉब्लम करिना
Sandeep Kamulkar for GOA 365 from MAPSA.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The campaigns for the second phase of the municipal polls are slowly heating up. Candidates are seen canvassing road to road day and night in their respective wards. The polls for 5 remaining municipalities, Mapsa, Mormugao, Margao, Kepe and Sangay, will be held on 23rd April and counting will take place on 26th of April.
BJP-backed Vibrant Marga panel has declared its candidates. An independent candidate is also seen moving door to door.
The candidates are as follows. Ward number 1, Renzil Bhaskaranes. Ward number 2, Kalidas C. Naik. Ward number 3, Zico Alvin Fernandez. Ward number 4, Pushpa Virdikar. Ward number 5, Deepashri Kurdikar. Ward number 6, Sadanand Naik. Ward number 7, Milagrina Gomes Dias. Ward number 8, Camilo Barreto. Ward number 9, Narmada Kundekar. Ward number 10, Vasudev Kundekar. Ward number 11, Jaya Amodkar. Ward number 12, Sharmad Raiturkar. Ward number 13, Dr. Sushanta Kurtankar. Ward number 14, Dr. Ronita Asgaonkar. Ward number 15, Uday Desai. Ward number 16, Anisha Mohan Naik. Ward number 17, Devika Karapurkar. Ward number 18, Parag Gajanan Raikar. Ward number 19, Mangala Harmalkar. Ward number 20, Alinda Rodriguez. Ward number 21, Sachin Satardekar. Ward number 22, Sunil Naik. Ward number 23, Viviana Cardozo. Ward number 24, Parvati Pararkar. आणि वॉर्ड नंबर 25, बबिता नायक.
आता आमचे ग्रावंडाचें काम उरला आनी थोडे जे पळय आतां आमचे गार्बेजीचो प्रश्न आसा हांगा तो सोडपा जाय आनी हावज टू हावज आमचे जे पळय कोणाचे रेजिडेंट सर्टिफिकेट आनी हे ते सगळे आमचे ठरयलां आमी. आनी दुसरें बरें काम म्हणजे आयडिओ कडेन पयर उलयल्लो हांव कितें मेन काम म्हणजे लोक कितें करतात कावन्सिलर जावं आनी कितें जावं ते MLA जावं कोणी जावं मेन काम करता पुलिसान धरल्या बरोबर फोन करतात आमकां धरला जालो एक्चुअली त्या भुरग्यांक लायसन्स आसना काय आसना फॅमिलीक काय खबर आसना 18 वर्साचो भुरगो आलो तो विदावट लायसन्स पावता ते आनी हेडेक नाका म्हणून आमी ते ड्रायव्ह चालू केला सगळ्या लोकांक समजून आमी पयलीं ते चालू करतले.
Take a look at the electioneering at MAPSA.
Why म्हापशेकरांचो एकवट? I feel, or rather we all feel, there are many things should have been done in the interest of general public. We could take many essential projects collectively. Those are lacking. म्हापशेकरांचो एकवट together hand in hand can pursue the plans with the help of municipality and the government of Goa.
Meanwhile, NCP has raised concern over the storage of ballot boxes as there is 2 days gap between voting and results. They met the SEC and requested them to increase security at the place where these ballot boxes will be kept.
खरें म्हणजे BJPच्या सरकाराचेर आमकां डावट आसा. 23 तारखेक शेनवार येता, 24 तारखेक आयतार आसा, परत 25 तारखेक गॅप हात दवरला आनी 26 तारखेक तेंच्यांनी कावंटिंगाक दवरला. म्हणून आमी लास्ट टायम जेन्ना म्हापसा म्युनिसिपल कावन्सिलाचे इन इयर 2015 जेन्ना इलेक्शन जालें तेन्ना 6:30 इलेक्शन प्रोसेस कंप्लीट जालो आनी रातचे 8:30 काय 9 सुमार 2.5 किलोमिटर कवर करपाक लागलो. म्हणून हे BJPचे सरकार खंय तरी बॉक्सार रातोरात खंय तरी व्हरोन चेंजीस करपाक आमकां डावट मारता. म्हणून आमी जो बॅलेट पेपराचेर जे सिरियल नंबर जे आसा न्ही ते वयर आसता आनी सकयलूय आसता. आनी जेन्ना कावंटींग तेन्ना कावंटींग हे जे इलेक्शन आसता ते कितें करतात, ते सिरियल नंबर वयर जर असो आसा न्ही सकयल आनी सिरियल नंबर आसता आनी ते सपोज आतां म्हाजें नांव संजय बर्डे सिरियल नंबर घेतात ते आनी हांगा टीक करतात आनी तेंचो पोलिंग एजंट थंय बसलेलो आसता. आनी आमकां डावट आसा BJPच्या सरकारा कडेन असलेच कितें तरी एक दुसरो पेपर बूक आसता हेंचो. आनी रातोरात जर तेंच्यांनी हे 3 दीस गॅप दवरला न्हू कितें तरी भानगड करून रातचे हे बॉक्सा बी चेंज करून भितर घालपाचें आहा. 23 तारखेक इलेक्शन जायना फुडें वेरी नेक्स्ट डेक तुमी कावंट करपाक जाय. सपोज तुमी कावंटींग वेरी नेक्स्ट डे करिना 26 तारखेक जर दवरला न्ही रातचे थंयसर आमकां CC कॅमेरा तुमी प्रोवायड करपाचे आनी आमकां थंय रातचे रावपाक थंयसर परमिशन दिवपाचें म्हणून आमी मागला. आनी आमकां भंय दिसता BJP सरकार जर म्हणटा आयज आनी म्हापशान जर म्हणटा न्ही ते 20 पैकी 20 सीट जर येता न्ही हे काळे आनी बरें कितें तरी आसा.
Sandeep Tuekar, Sandeep Kamulkar and Shyam Chari for Guwahati 65 from Margam, Maps and Panaji.
A man was found hanging on a tree in the forested area at Ganeshpuri in Mapsa. His body was recovered by the police. Sources say that the motive has not been yet ascertained. Police investigations are still on.
The deceased has been identified as 32-year-old from Karnataka, Ganesh Lamani. He was residing at Kollim in Mapsa in a rented premises. Sandeep Kamulkar for Guwahati 65 from Mapsa.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Now for some sports news. Sesa Football Association beat Youth Club of Manora 3-1 in a hard-fought match in the Selwell GFA Pro League match at the Duler Football Ground. Now for the weather. Light to moderate unseasonal rain occurred at isolated places over Goa. There was no large change in the maximum temperature over North Goa and South Goa districts of the state. Temperatures were normal over North Goa and South Goa districts of the state. The highest maximum temperature of 34.2 degrees Celsius was recorded at Mormugao. It rained mainly in Sangay and Kepe. With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.gua365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Gua365 TV and subscribe onto our YouTube channel Gua365 TV or download our app on Android and iPhone to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching.